crying out loud. Well, it's snowing. I guess I'll be working on the Beetle door card indoors today. It's snowing outside, so I'm inside, about to get into some stuff here. This is the armrest for the Beetle. Gotta cut out some foam and then get to gluing it down before I wrap it in the leather and suede? Yes, suede. So I'm down here in the basement because, well, as you saw, it's snowing and I need to get this done. Let's see how long it takes for the wife to notice that the glue smell. Alright, so I'm gonna glue that. You saw me with the foam. I cut out the shape of the door card. I'm gonna spray the glue, let it tack up, and then put the foam on the backing. So all I'm using is 3M's Super 77. It's what everyone suggests. So it's worked pretty good on the let that tack up. They say about 5 minutes. I give it about 3 and then put the foam to it. But let's get out of this area because the fumes are strong.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Take your time and work the foam into all the areas. Make sure that it has a fighting chance of sticking and staying for a long time, you know?
I wish I knew
That's it at this point.
how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Put some heavy things here and down here in this pocket and let it sit.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Now we let it sit for a couple of hours, then trim off the excess foam, lay down the material, spray the glue, lay down the material on top, and then use some clamps and whatnot to hold it in place and let it sit overnight. That's the way I do it, right or wrong. But again, the back has lasted for a little while because I've been dreading doing this. Why?
I don't know. But I'm doing it.
Okay, so I've trimmed it up roughly. I just used scissors and an X-Acto knife. Sorry I didn't take you along with me. I just got back down here and went to work. Keep in mind, this is glue that you're spraying, so you don't want that in your lungs. So anytime you spray, you shouldn't do like I just did and spoke to you guys while the vapors were still in the air. Not the best for your nose, nor your lungs, nor your throat. In any case, that is the way it looks currently. It's time to spray again and lay the fabric down. Let me pull out the fabric for you. So I've just draped the material over the foam. So once this is nice and tight, it'll look better. Now, what's going to be challenging is keeping these creases in the fabric from, well, creasing. That's going to be challenging. That's roughly what it's going to, very, very roughly, what it's going to look like. Time to spray and set up. Just going to spray the arm rest area. Then once I've laid the leather down around that, then I can start focusing on the surrounding. Crying out loud. Well, as you saw, things didn't go to plan. Sometimes it just doesn't work out the way you want it to. So now I've got to strip all of this foam back off and start all over. But while I was letting that dry, I moved on to the other side, and well, that looks much better. Still not finished, of course, and I'm pretty sure that this will wear. It'll wear, so it'll be smooth. Like you just see there, I'm pulling on it a little bit, and it's kind of smoothening out. Anyhow, that's roughly what it's going to look like when I'm finished. Outside into the cold to strip the foam off of the other door. Fun times. This is crazy. It was plus 22 the other day. It's been a few days waiting for this rain, snow thing to stop, and it won't. So, we're just going to do it down here. I know it's not as pretty as outside, close to the cars, but I've got to get this done. So now it's time to put the armrest that I have recovered back with the door card. And this is how I'm doing it. Okay, so for this part, we're going to need a drill and a small drill bit. Let me show you why. For all of these tabs, you're going to drill a hole through all of them. The idea is to use a zip tie to hold the armrest in place. So I didn't realize that I didn't give you a good glamour shot after. I got the approval from the boss she likes, and I'll show you this, but you're gonna have to wait to see it on or in the car. Hey, I gotta keep you coming back, don't I? All right, here you go. So that's all I'm going to show you for right now. I've got to get this done, edited, and uploaded for you guys because running behind. Anyhow, thanks for watching Initial Speed. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you've done this before and you have different ways of adhering the elbow rest to the door card, down below. Let's get other options out there. This is just the option I took because I liked the way it potentially could come out. But there's more than one way to do it, right? Anyhow, thanks for watching. I gotta go edit. Initial Speed, out.